outputs from the project PBL. Of course, we as a team, we will help each other to make a presentation slide, recorded final presentation video, final report, PBL product, poster, HKI draft document, and the last and other minutes of PBL product. Next slide. In this slide is project implementation history in the form of on the X, process the data from Apple 2 and monitor the survey stakes. After that, provide statistics with guidance from Apple 1 and 2. On 10th, monitor the survey stakes and prepare the report on statistical data processing for Epoch 1 and 2. After that, measure Epoch 3 and process the deformation data from Epoch 1, 2, and 3. At 12, give statistic guidance about hypothesis testing and prepare the PBL outputs. And finally, the final guidance on statistical test processing and complete the PBL outputs.
Okay, project progress. This data injected grid coordinate and in local system, establishing control point using GNSS. Okay, next. Graphic test result from Epoch 1 and 2. Horizontal result several millimeters and vertical several millimeters. Epoch 2 and 3. Horizontal several millimeters and vertical several millimeters. And Epoch 1 and 3. Horizontal several millimeters and vertical several millimeters. Okay, next.
For the comparison between first and second and third approach, the result from approach 1 and 2, there is a significant comparison. And however, from approach 1 and 3, there is a horizontal shift. Next. This slide presented the observation slide, and the data serve the project progress. Next.
Okay, next is the observation point with the least deformation. First, we calculate the different coordinate and add up the different coordinate from the Epoch 1 to 2 and Epoch 2 to 3 to find out the total of the shift. After that, we select 5 points from the left side and 5 points from the right side of the bridge from each epoch. And then we can see the result of the bridge that did not have an experience of significant deformation. Next. Next is the deformation graph chart. As you can see, there are two graphs that show the different or the change from the coordinate on the observation point. On the left side, there was a compare for Epoch 1 to 2, and the left side compare Epoch 2 to 3. As you can see, there was on the point 6 and 7 had the biggest change, which means it has a different vertical movement, and then mostly on the other point there was stable, which means it all stayed set. Next.
Next, I'll show you the maps related to our project location and monitoring points. We got the data at Hangladip and Nosokura Bridge using GNSS with static method. We used to get accurate base point for the monitoring. Next. We measured the bridge 3 times just to see if they move. Each one was taken after a heavy vehicle crossing. Next. Some points did move a little, but it's still safe. The bridge is okay. There's no serious wood found.
Okay, next, this is our study project progress. You can see this is our visualization of Epoch 1, 2, and 3 of Nosokura Bridge. Like you can see on the slide, there are 20 points that you can use to monitor the bridge. 10 of them, the color as blue, is the monitoring point that we can see from the T1 and T2. The pink point we can see from T3 and T4. And right now, we're gonna show to you how this visualization gonna work. So So this is our bridge point deformation visualizer. And now we will apply how the animation of visualizers. Like we can see, from F1 to N3, there are some points that moving around, and that means the point is having a deformation quite far. For example, like the T9 point, you can see the T9 point is moving, and that means the point having deformation quite far. Back to the presentation. Next, okay. This is our visualization of Concept with AutoCAD software. You can see we made this with AutoCAD. For research, we adjust for our need, and the method we use the method that we have been learned before. Next, still about visualization of Concept but with SketchUp software. You can see we made it with SketchUp. For the size and method, we use the same with the bits before. Next.
Okay. Next, contribution of PBL course engagement. Project design implementation. It's for drawing the project digitally based by using AutoCAD software. Physics. Physics is for us to understand the bridge structure in different conditions. AutoCAD Stairstream Survey is by using total station for set up control point of the bridge. And statistics and leveling computation is to understand the project process data and hypothesis testing. Next, cartography. Cartography can be used for creating visualizing map or database for analyzing. GNSS survey can be used to monitoring base in real time and in 3 dimensions X, Y, Z. And Pancasila education is for us for working together and good moral for project activity or project-based learning PBL. Next.
Next is the roles and contribution of each member from our project, which is Sakura Bridge, and the member was responsible for different tasks. Some of us focus on collecting data and assessment on site, while others work on PowerPoint, posters, videos, report, and statistical analysis. This way, our work was divided fairly, and everyone has to complete the final results. Next. We also face some obstacles like transportation issues, parking problems, and unsafe roads. But we have the solutions. To solve this, we have to share rides and then took into watching vehicles and plan our drive safely. Next.
The result from our project work. Our project produced various outputs, presentation slides, recorded presentation video, final report, PBL product, poster, archive draft document, and over minutes of PBL products. Next. Conclusion. After long-term observation, we can conclude that all the observation point shift, but the movement is still within a reasonable limit less than 0.3 meters. Most of this movement happened in the horizontal direction, X and Y, where there was a noticeable change between F 1 and F 3. However, in the vertical direction, the movement wasn't significant. So the bridge still meets the safety standard based on the maximum allowed movement of 0.3 meters.
That's all the PBL